Hello, Cahill here, giving you a video here today on this 2021 BMW X5 X-Drive M Sport 45e Hybrid. So these are a 3-litre petrol hybrid vehicle, finished a lovely Pythonic blue and very nice condition inside and out, with the full gloss black Aero kit fitted there as well, with your lovely 22-inch alloy wheels. So this vehicle has your rear privacy glass, rear view camera, parking sensors front and rear, your roof rails on the top with your gloss black trim around the windows there also. Very nice vehicle throughout, with only 53,000 miles on this car. One Irish owner from new, with your air suspension there front and rear also. So this vehicle is cheap road tax for the year and is taxed to January 2025, 140 for the year road tax. And you've got your lovely gloss black grills on the front with your front splitter there also. So give you a look inside. You've got your full black leather heated interior, electric moving seats, interior ambient lighting there also, multifunction wheel. Lovely car. These GL5s are really nice with the kit and wheels and all fitted there. So full black leather. There's your view over the top there. Automatic transmission, ambient lighting, leather door cards with your stitching. This one here is your electric tailgate, so at the boot lid button and up it goes. That's your boot space there with your charging cables there as well. So the bottom half here folds also. You still get your blue wrapper there from the factory. So that's the button, down it goes. X-Drive 45e. So if you look at the inside, see now, so you have your 4 electric windows, electric memory moving seats, auto lights, front fog lights, multifunction steering wheel with your paddle shifters, automatic dipping headlights with your auto wipers and your paddle shift. 53,710 miles. Push button start, and you have your air suspension there, your radio controls, drive mode selections, electric handbrake with your auto hold, and your hill descent there also. That's your radio controls there. You've got your wireless phone charging, 12-volt supply, 2 keys, air conditioning, so you've got your full heated leather there as well. So you have your DAB radio, Bluetooth, you can pair up your phone there, navigation, you have your map. Also you have drive mode selections here. You have your exterior lighting, so you can change all the settings in that. Driver assist, front assist, lane departure, displays. You can change all that there as well. So your interior lighting is your ambient lighting. You can change the colour on the inside to whatever colour you like there. What else have we? So you also have your parking sensors front and rear, with your rear view camera here as well. So that's your camera there with your parking sensors. It has park assist there, so very well finished vehicle inside and out. So let's give a look at the outside here again. Very nice Jeep, very good condition inside and out. So free nationwide delivery available on this Jeep here with a nationwide warranty, and it will be fully serviced and prepped prior to that. So if you can apply for finance on the website gallaghercars.ie, and if you have any more questions you can give us a call and we're happy to help. Thank you.